Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when a beloved app you've relied on for years is about to disappear? If you've ever used Skype, you might be feeling that way right now. The news is out: Skype will be retiring in May 2025, making way for Microsoft Teams. But what does this really mean for you? Let's take a journey through the rise and transformation of Skype and explore what lies ahead. Once upon a time, in the early 2000s, Skype burst onto the scene like a breath of fresh air. It revolutionized the way we connected, allowing friends and family to chat face-to-face, no matter where they were in the world. Remember those late-night calls with friends or video chats with loved ones overseas? Skype made it all possible, and it quickly became a household name. As the years rolled on, Skype became the go-to app for many. We used it for everything, from catching up with old friends to important business meetings. It was revolutionary for its time, giving us the power to connect in ways we never thought possible. Imagine being able to see your family's smiling faces or collaborate with colleagues across the globe, all from the comfort of your home. But as technology progressed, so did our needs. We craved more features, more integration, and a platform that could keep up with our fast-paced lives. While Skype was fantastic, it started to feel a bit like an old friend who hadn't quite updated their wardrobe. The world was changing, and so were our expectations. Then came Microsoft Teams, a platform designed not just for chatting, but for collaboration in every sense of the word. Teams took all the great features we loved about Skype and enhanced them, becoming a hub for teamwork. It allowed us to chat, share files, and even host meetings all in one place. It was like upgrading from a cozy old cafe to a bustling modern workspace. Now, here comes the big news that might leave you feeling anxious. Microsoft has announced the retirement of Skype in May 2025 to fully embrace Teams as their primary platform. This change is bittersweet for many who grew up with Skype, but don't worry. Microsoft is making the transition smooth. If you're a Skype user, you can easily move your chats and contacts to Teams, ensuring you don't lose touch with anyone. But, what does this mean for you? If you've been using Skype, it's time to explore Teams. With its enhanced features for meetings, file sharing, and community building, it's designed to keep you connected like never before. Plus, you can log in with your Skype credentials, making the switch even simpler. As we look back at Skype's incredible journey, let's embrace this new chapter with Microsoft Teams. Change can be challenging, but it also brings new opportunities and connections. Whether you're catching up with friends or collaborating with colleagues, Teams is here to help you thrive. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this story relatable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your favorite Skype memories? Let's chat about it.